In this video, we will be looking at the standard deviation of the profit. Remember, this is always abbreviated as sigma pi. How do you get the sigma pi or the standard deviation of the profits? This is given by standard deviation of profit is equal to standard deviation of sales times the contribution margin. Please remember that we said CM, contribution margin, is given by price minus variable cost per unit. So in this case, the question may give you the standard deviation of sales and maybe give you the price and the variable cost per unit. Given those values, then you will be in a position to actually find the standard deviation of profits. But in the case where this standard deviation of sales is not given, then you will be forced to use what is called the Z value. The Z value here will actually support you to find the standard deviation of sales. So in this case, remember the Z value will be given by X minus X bar over standard deviation of sales. But if the question gives you this, then you will only start by finding this value for you to use this formula to get the standard deviation of the profits. So this value, X bar here, is always the expected sale, the expected sales, or at time it can be the mean sales. It means the same thing, but for this value X, I will have to show you something here. Suppose maybe you are told that the sales, there was a 50% chance that sales will lie maybe between 200, let's say an example that sales will lie between an example which is better, that can work for us in this case for you to understand what I'm talking about. Maybe the sales, you are told that there is actually 50 chance that sales will lie, example, between 350 and 450. Then in this case, the value for X will be the mean or the median of these two values. That's why, for example, in this case, the midpoint between these two will be 400. 400 now will become our X bar, but X can be 450 or it can be 350. Then using those values, you can find the value of standard deviation of sales and use the same formula now to find the standard deviation of the profit. Kindly subscribe. We meet in the next video.